In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to change header color in Shopify. So it's really a simple process, so make sure to watch the full tutorial until the end of the video. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. So, first things first, go to the online store and on the themes. Now, what we need to do is click on customize. Then head over to the header section, click on this. Now let's go to the right side. Once we get there, we have to find the color scheme. We must scroll down. There we go. In the color scheme, we can choose the accent 1, accent 2, background 1, background 2. We can choose the accent 2 for now, the background 1, the background 2, or lastly, choosing the inverse. And once you contemplated, you can hit on save. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.